If you're in the market for a reliable 4K HDMI to USB-C cable adapter, this one is a game changer. First off, the build quality is impressive. The cable feels sturdy and durable, with a premium finish that ensures it can handle daily use without fraying or breaking. The connectors are snug and fit perfectly into both HDMI and USB-C ports, eliminating any worries about loose connections or signal drops. One standout feature is its ability to support 4K resolution at 60 Hz, delivering crystal-clear, smooth visuals. Whether you're streaming movies, gaming, or presenting, the picture quality is top-notch. The adapter also supports HDR, which enhances colors and contrast, making your content look even more vibrant and lifelike. Another great aspect is the inclusion of USB power delivery. While it doesn't charge your device, it ensures that the adapter itself remains powered, maintaining a stable connection. This is particularly useful for long sessions where you don't want to worry about the signal cutting out. Compatibility is another strong suit. It works seamlessly with a wide range of devices, including laptops, tablets, and smartphones with USB-C ports. I tested it with my MacBook Pro, iPad Pro, and even a gaming console, and it performed flawlessly across the board. However, it's worth noting that this adapter doesn't support charging, which might be a deal-breaker for some. If you need a cable that can charge your device while in use, you'll need to look elsewhere. But if your primary focus is on video and audio transmission, this adapter excels. Overall, this 4K HDMI to USB-C cable adapter is a must-have for anyone looking to connect their devices with ease and reliability. Its high-quality construction, 4K support, and broad compatibility make it one of the best options available. Just keep in mind its limitations with charging, and you'll find it to be an excellent addition to your tech arsenal.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.